Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're baking carrot cake.
Experience the magic of homemade carrot cake. Welcome to our kitchen. Today we're going to show you how to make a classic carrot cake with cream cheese frosting. This recipe is perfect for any occasion, from birthdays to potlucks, and it's sure to be a crowd pleaser. Carrot cake is a classic dessert that has been enjoyed for generations. The combination of grated carrots, warm spices, and tangy cream cheese frosting makes for a moist and flavorful cake that everyone loves. So let's get started. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grease two 9-inch round cake pans. You'll also want to line the bottoms of the pans with parchment paper to prevent sticking. In a medium bowl, whisk together the dry ingredients: all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt. This step ensures that all the dry ingredients are evenly distributed and will create a uniform cake. In a separate large bowl, beat the eggs with an electric mixer until frothy. Then gradually add the vegetable oil and sugar and beat until well combined. The oil makes the cake moist and tender, while the sugar adds sweetness and helps create a light and fluffy texture. Next, add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture and beat until just combined. Don't overmix at this stage, as that can cause the cake to become tough. Stir in the grated carrots and chopped walnuts if using. The carrots add natural sweetness and moisture to the cake, while the walnuts add a crunchy texture. Now divide the batter evenly between the prepared cake pans and bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center of the cakes comes out clean. It's important to let the cakes cool in the pans for 10 minutes before turning them out onto wire racks to cool completely. While the cakes are cooling, let's make the cream cheese frosting. In a large bowl, beat the cream cheese, butter, and vanilla extract together with an electric mixer until light and fluffy. Gradually beat in the powdered sugar until smooth. The cream cheese frosting is the perfect complement to the warm spices in the cake, and it balances out the sweetness. Now it's time to assemble the cake. Place one cake layer on a serving plate and spread a layer of frosting on top. Add the second cake layer and spread more frosting on top and around the sides of the cake. You can decorate the cake with additional walnuts, pecans, or shredded coconut if desired. Chilling the cake in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before slicing and serving will help the frosting to set and make it easier to cut. There you have it, a delicious and easy to make carrot cake that's sure to impress. With its moist and flavorful crumb and creamy frosting, this cake is perfect for any occasion. Whether baking for a special event or just looking for a sweet treat to enjoy at home, this recipe is a winner. Thanks for joining us in the kitchen today. We hope you enjoyed this video and that you'll give this recipe a try. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. Happy baking! Wow, this smells really good, this frosting.
Can I smell it?